Hello everybody. Today's class I will start with chapter surface areas and volumes of class 9 exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3 is based on the surface area of cone. There are two surface areas, one is curved surface area and another one is the total surface area. Formula for the curved surface area is pi RL, pi into radius of radius of circular part of the cone, and L is slant height. Okay, total surface area of the right circular cone is TSA, it is pi RL plus pi r square, means this is circular part is pi r square, area of circle is pi r square, plus this curved surface area is CSA is already we know the pi RL, so it is pi RL plus pi r square. Pi r is common out of this two, so it is L plus R. Okay, pi r into L plus R, it is the formula for the total surface area. Now NCERT book solution here, it is exercise 13.3. First question is diameter of a base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter. So okay, it is the diameter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Radius is 10.5 is the diameter, it's half, that is, it is, if you remove the point, it is 105 upon 20, so it is 21 upon 4 centimeter, it is the radius. Slant height has given 10 centimeter. It's okay, so pi RL, substitute the value here, it is pi 22 upon 7, it is 21 upon 7 and it is 10. By calculating it is 165 centimeter square. So curved surface area is 165 centimeter square. Next question is find the total surface area of the cone if its slant height is 21 centimeter and diameter is the of its base is 24. Diameter has given, radius it's half, 12 meter. Slant height already has given. Total surface area's formula pi r into L plus R, substitute the value and calculate it. It is 1244.557 meter square. Okay. Next is question number 3. Curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square. Slant height is 14 centimeter. Find radius of base and total surface area of the cone. To find out, first has given the curved surface area is 308. So its formula is CSA is equal 308, pi RL is equal to 308. CSA formula pi RL. From here R not given. Substitute the value of L. R is, now calculating it, R is 7 centimeter. Okay, R we have got, then total surface area, its formula is this, substitute the value of R and L, it is 462 centimeter square. Okay, next question is question number 4. A conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find slant height of the tent, cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Okay, now slant height has given. Slant height we have to find out because height has given and base has given, base radius has given. So it is slant height L is equal to under root h square plus r square. Okay, so therefore it is 10 square plus 24 square. This one is 676, it is 26 square actually. So it is L is 26 meter. Now CSA of tent is pi RL. Find out, it is pi RL, no need to calculate it total because CSA has not asked, cost asked. So cost CSA into rate of cost. Okay, CSA is this much and rate of cost is 70. Now it is 1,37,280 rupees. Okay, next question is what length of tarpaulin to 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter. Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. Use pi is equal 3.14. So okay, so we have to find out the length of the length has given. So okay, length of the tarpaulin is 3 meter wide. Okay, 3 meter wide. Length we have to find out. H has given height 8 meter of tent and radius 6 meter. So find out slant height. It is 10 meter. Okay, now area of the tarpaulin means CSA of the tent, it is pi RL. Pi RL, it is 40 meter square. Now width of the tarpaulin is 3 meter. So length is divided, area divided by width is length. So area divided by width, it is 62.80 meter. Now extra 20 centimeter, it is 20 centimeter. You have to change into meter because this one is the meter. So okay, so it is 62.80 plus 0.20, it is 63 meter. So length of the tarpaulin is 63 meter. Next question number 6 is the slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. What is given? It is slant height and base diameter. Okay, now find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. L given, R, so okay, R is half of diameter, it is 7 meter. CSA pi RL, it is 550 meter square. Now cost of painting is CSA into rate of cost 210 out of 100 meter square. So it is upon 100. So it is 1155 rupees. Okay. Next question is question number 7. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 centimeter and height 24 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Simple radius of cap has given 7 centimeter, height has given 24 centimeter, slant height we have to find out. Slant height is h square plus r square, so it is 25 centimeter. Okay, now curved surface area is pi RL, 10 into pi RL. Okay, 10 cap we have to make, so 10 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 25. Okay, that is 5500 centimeter square. Now area of sheet required for 10 such cap is 5500 centimeter square. Okay, now last question is a bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road, buzzing 50 hollow cones and made up of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter and height 1 meter. Okay, if the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Okay, you have to use pi is equal 3.14 instead of 22 upon 7, and in calculation one terms will come, that is under root 1.04, that is equal to 1.02. That's value also given. Now radius of the cone is 40 centimeter. You have to change into meter, as already I have shown you. It is 1 meter, it is centimeter. Both should be at the same unit. So it change into meter. 20 upon 100, it is 0.2 meter and height is 1 meter. So slant height L is equal to 0.2 square plus 1 square. It is 1.04. Under root 1.04 has given its value 1.02 meter. Okay, slant height I have got. So CSA is equal to pi RL. Again substitute the value. Now cost of painting of 50 such cones. Rupees, well, 50 into CSA into rate of cost. Okay. So 50 into CSA is, this one is the CSA, and rate of cost is rupees 12 per meter square. So it is total is rupees 384.34 rupees. Okay. Now this is the exercise. Now one assignment I have given here. See, assignment of 13.1, 13.2 and 13.3. That means it is cuboid and cube, cylinder and cone. All three type of question together I have given here. The first question. Now come in the second question. Now third, fourth, fifth, sixth question, and their answer also I have given here. You can check your answer. Okay. Thank you very much.